a lot of mud. Right in here is a lot of mud. I don't want to really step in the mud because it goes down here. When you're filming, you don't want to fall with your camera. So I could probably go around it. So that's what we do. Gonna sink in a bunch of mud. Mud is everywhere. Like I've been moving out here lately. I'm gonna stay close to the shore because where I can see. That's all mud. Ooh, the sun came out. I can see that. Oh yeah. That's a lot of mud. Gotta watch out for a snake laying on the bottom. They hunt like that. The snakes hunt laying on the bottom, and just have a bad day if you step on them. Just have to make sure I'm going where I can see. Oh, I can see good here. It's kind of muddy, and the snake ain't gonna be the snake's fault. It's gonna be mud. Pretty cool. Whoa.